Have you ever experienced that unsettling sensation when you press the brakes and your car starts to shake? It's a common concern that can leave drivers puzzled and anxious about the health of their vehicle. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the various reasons behind the unnerving phenomenon of your car shaking when you apply the brakes. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries beneath your brake pedal. Common causes: warped brake rotors. One of the leading culprits behind the shaking sensation is warped brake rotors. Over time, these essential components can become uneven due to heat and friction, causing an uneven braking surface. This imbalance leads to vibrations that you feel through the steering wheel or the entire vehicle. Worn brake pads. As brake pads wear down, they lose their effectiveness and can create an uneven contact surface with the rotors. This imbalance results in a shaky braking experience, signaling the need for prompt replacement. Suspension issues. Problems with your car's suspension system, such as worn-out shocks or struts, can contribute to a shaky ride during braking. A compromised suspension allows for more movement in the wheels, amplifying the vibrations when you apply the brakes. Tire problems. Uneven tire wear, imbalanced tires, or even a flat tire can manifest as shaking during braking. Regular tire maintenance, including rotation and alignment, is crucial to prevent such issues. Brake caliper issues. Sticking or malfunctioning brake calipers can cause uneven pressure on the brake pads, leading to shaking when braking. Caliper inspection and maintenance are essential to ensure proper brake performance. Solutions. Now that we've explored the potential causes, let's discuss solutions to alleviate the shaking in your car when braking. Brake inspection and maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain your brake system. This includes checking brake pads, rotors, and calipers for wear and tear. Prompt replacement of worn-out components is crucial for smooth braking. Suspension system check. Have your suspension system inspected by a professional. Addressing any issues with shocks, struts, or other components can significantly reduce vibrations during braking. Tire maintenance. Ensure proper tire rotation, alignment, and inflation. Address any tire-related issues promptly to prevent uneven wear and vibrations during braking. Professional assessment. If the problem persists, seek the expertise of a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection. Professional diagnosis can identify hidden issues and ensure a comprehensive solution. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay informed about car maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this valuable information with fellow car enthusiasts and hit the notification bell to receive timely updates. Let's keep the roads safe and enjoyable for everyone. Safe driving.